Hello everyone, this video is about take apart your Seiko TV watch. I think every watch owner should know how to tear apart their watches. So there's no need to rely on others to replace the battery for the watch. Moreover, this gives you an opportunity to understand more about your watch. So before we started, let me show you the image of the TV screen. Many people, after viewing my last video about the TV watch, complaining that the image is not clear. I tried to tune again, but still there's no clear image on my watch face. I think the reason is that I'm in Hong Kong. And you know, in Hong Kong, it's congested with high-rise buildings. And the buildings themselves are an obstacle for receipt of signals. So that may be the reason of unclear image on a watch. Well, in Hong Kong, the analog signal will be terminated on the 1st of December 2020. So I think this is the last image I can show to you on my watch. Well, I think it's quite sad. Some people suggested that we can change the analog receiver to a digital receiver and then connect the watch with the digital receiver, and then we can have the digital image for the watch. Now here's my Seiko TV watch. It's not difficult to open the back cover of the watch. Pry open it with a cutter. After open the back cover, you can easily take out the circuit board from the watch. Here it is. Turn around the circuit board, unscrew this, and you can replace your battery. The Seiko TV watch uses the SR920SW battery, also known as 371 or 370 battery. In some extreme situations, you may need to unscrew these 5 screws in order to go into the circuit board. For example, when there is leakage of battery liquid. You need to take apart it very carefully because there's no spare part now for this watch. The inners of the watch comprises 3 parts. The right one is the digital watch face. The green one is the battery case. And there is a marking on it which is Seiko T001A Japan. And the last one is the circuit board, which is the most important part of the watch. And the TV screen is attached to it. And those are the screws and the battery clamps. It's the end of the video. If you find the content useful to you, please give me a like. Also, I have a series of videos which comprises different kinds of topics. If you like those videos as well, please subscribe to me so that you will be informed that when there are new videos uploaded to YouTube. Finally, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.